today's look. It's super soft and pretty. So this is the skin right after it was washed. My name is EllieArket. I am a psychic medium, a manifestation life coach, and founder of EllieArket Cosmetics. If you guys are interested in my skincare and makeup, everything's vegan, organic, cruelty-free, go to my website, EllieArketShop.com. I'm going to be pulling some tarot cards out on for you as well. See what the message is for the collective. If you guys are interested in booking a session with me for reading, coaching, spells, anything spiritual, go to EllieArket.com. Washing my face with my 24 karat gold collagen soap. This is for face and body. Going to get rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspots, brighten your complexion. It moisturizes your skin and there's gold in it. So this is the skin right after it was washed. I'm gonna go in with my 24 karat gold collagen day serum. This is anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. It's going to brighten your complexion, minimize pores, get rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspots. Going with my 24 karat gold collagen, retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. This is literally the most hydrating face cream you'll ever need. You put this, in the morning, in the evening, and it's going to give you like 24-hour hydration. Fill it in a little bit because it's already thick and dark. I'm gonna go in with my blush and highlighter. 3 blushes and 3 highlighters. I'm gonna do Blessed Be. It's a very, very light pink. Very glowy. I just want a very glowy look today. I have a session in an hour with a new client, and then I have to run to the post office to mail people's products that they purchased from me. Now I'm gonna take Soulmate. I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow and do my eyeliner. Now for the lips, I'm gonna wear my top selling velour liquid lipstick. I've named this shade Blessed Be. Velour liquid lipsticks are waterproof. It's vegan, organic, cruelty-free. You can use it as eyeliner, you can use it as eyeshadows, and it's not gonna come off because it's waterproof. This is today's look. It's super soft and pretty. I am wearing a sundress. The Holy King. Some of you guys are your hermit, not leaving your house, withdrawn from society, from dating. So you're in that hermit zone. However, love is coming for you guys. We got the Lover's card. This is choices in love, soulmate connection, twin flame connection. That's coming in. You're gonna go from this hermit phase of your life that you didn't go anywhere, you didn't do anything, you didn't date anybody, and then love is going to come in for you and you're going to get into a relationship. That's the message for the collective, and this is the look of the day. Thank you for getting ready with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.